Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I would like to show you how you can add a photo to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, tap on this little icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photos that you wish to add, or select Gallery and pick them from here. This time though, you need to choose Add at the top right corner. If you want to, you can also tap on Gallery, then select Folders, and look for your picture in one of those apps, thanks to Images filter at the top, or by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner and accessing one of those sources. After locating your photo, hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!